Hi everyone, myself Thambidurai. I am doing my degree BE Stream of Electronics and Communication from Tamilnadu College of Engineering in Coimbatore. Thank you Emertxe Information Technology for a wonderful internship program. I have done my online embedded system internship program provided by Emertxe Information Technology Private in Emertxe. It's our project in washing machine simulation using PICSimlab. The table of content key learnings from the internship program, introduction of the embedded system, embedded C, project objective, project requirement, both hardware and software, project component details, project demonstration, and conclusion. Key learnings from the internship program, embedded system, both software and hardware doing on specific tasks. Embedded C data types, conditional statement operators, arrays, pointers, function call and definition, extend macros and header file. Microcontroller PIC 16 F877A pins input out pins timers interrupt hardware fan buzzer CLCD display switching circuit sourcing using washing machine simulation using PICSimlab project. See introduction of the embedded system. Definition: a embedded system is a combination of the computer hardware and software designed for specific function or task. A embedded system consists of the processor, memory, input-output units as a specific function with a large system. These are the main types of embedded system: standard system, real-time embedded system is a hard real-time embedded system or soft real-time embedded system. The two types are there: embedded networking embedded system, mobile embedded system, small-scale embedded system, medium-scale embedded system. The application of the embedded system: manufacturing equipment, domestic application, audio visual equipment, gaming consoles, telecommunication equipment, medical devices, car and vehicles, motion sensor, embedded system structure diagram, sensor, analog to digital conversion, processor on ASIC, digital to analog conversion, activities memory, Embedded C is one of the most popular and most commonly used programming language. It is development of embedded systems. Embedded C is an extension of the C programming and it used to develop the microcontroller based application. The extension in embedded C language from normal C programming language is the IO hardware addressing the fixed point arithmetic operation, accessing address space, etc. Project objective simulation of the automatic washing machine function using microcontroller based embedded system to develop the washing machine interface and simulate it, which displays and allow the users to select the different washing programs and water level long press button using the digital keypad. Simulation to display the washing function or cycle wash, rinse, dry, remaining time start or stop, washing machine based status of the covering every open source give the buzzer alert. Project requirement, hardware requirement, PIC microcontroller, PIC 16F877A, PIC Genius board from Microchip, timer power interrupt, buzzer, pan, CLCD display, keypad, software requirement, MPLab, XIDE with XCE compiler, PICSimlab, project component, the hardware component, microcontroller type 8-bit microcontroller by Microchip technology, memory, three types of memory are there: program memory, data memory, program memory. Program memory 14 KB flash, data memory 68 GB RAM, 250 RAM 0, clock and power, internal oscillator, low power modes, voltage typically operated at 5 volt, maximum 5 volt voltage, package over DPM, QAB package, development to Microchip provided compilers, IDEs, and debugging tools, editing, debugging, and developing. This is the image of PIC16F8 double microchip. And this the pins are there. Let's see. LCD 16 for dimension. This is This consists of 14 columns and 4 rows of the characters. Totally 64 all each character position can display the all alphanumeric characters, symbol or custom defined character. Communication typically with this microcontroller computing device using standalone communication protocol like parallel or serial communication interface. Improved visibility in low light conditions. Power consumption is a low power consumption. It generally comes in low power. It makes suitable for battery powered devices, low power battery devices like 5-volt battery devices. This is 16 to LCD display. The 16 pins are there. VLCC ground, VDD positive supply, VLCC constant voltage, register cited, read or write pin, enable pin, 8, 8 data pins, data 0, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4, data 5, data 6, data 7, backlink anode positive, backlink cathode ground pin, project detail, common details, software requirements, MPLab XID, microchip technology, MPLab accelerated development environment, XID, enable highly comparable software problem that incorporate powerful tool to enable the designers to discover the configurable, develop and debug and qualify the embedded design for most microchip micro MCUs and digital signal controllers. DCU. MPLab support project management, editing, debugging, programming, programming 8-bit, 16-bit, that all the editing, debugging, programming are the only on PXIDE along with the MG compiler. Compiler to Microsoft 8-bit, both the programs run on Windows, Mac and Linux. Support all the three versions. Yeah. PICSimlab is a real-time emulate of development board with integrated MPLab X for coding, editing, debugging. Same tool used for real boards should be used PICSimlab, such as the MPLab X or Arduino. Same like Arduino IDEs, like IoT projects, like multiple boards are there. Arduino IDEs, Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano. Let's see PICSimlab PIC board. This is here LCD 16 to LCD fan cooler heater, the serial interface, relay 1, relay 2, the display 1, display 2, 4, display 1, display 2, display 3, display 4. The buttons are there, the data pins are there, the port pins are there. This is a PIC microcontroller, PIC 16F feed, PIC microcontroller are there. The program memory there, reset button there, the buzzer on off button. Let's see project demonstration. First to open MP Lab. Select the board, pick CNS, select the microcontroller, pick 16F877A, select the clock 20 seconds. LCD, select the LCD 16 into 4. This is a 16 into 4 LCD display, fan, cooler, heater, relay 1, relay 2, serial interface, 4 displays, display 1, display 2, display 3, display 2. The buttons are there, data pins, 4 pins, big microcontroller reset button, which is reset the programs. Let's see, let's open the file, load X, select the file, washing, district default, production, washing exe file. Then open, press key 5 to power on the washing machine. Then press key 5, power on the washing machine. Washing machine, power on the washing machine. It's clicking, single click on key 4 switch. Showing a scrolling option and long press in selecting option on the difference. The different methods are there. Try wash only, try only. Different methods are select the daily. Press then press long. It takes some times. Wait. Further, it smooths the water level. You observe there two specification, user specification or machine specification. User specification low and medium. Machine specification auto. There's different level medium, high, max, auto. Then slide long press. Speed is take some time. Press switch 5 to start, switch 5 to stop, switch 5 to start program. It's take 45 seconds to complete the washing. The no can see the fan is rotating. Press one switch, the door is open, alerting the buzzer sound. Door is open. Let's see the buzzer sound open. 30 seconds to complete the washing program. It's speed. Switch 6 to switch 5 start, 6 stop. The computers remove the clothes. The washing program completed. Let's see conclusion. The washing machine simulation using PICSimlab served as an effective tool for learning and applying the concept in embedded system. They offer hands-on experience that complements theoretical knowledge and provide a functional foundation for a future exploration field of automation and control system. Thank you.